Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a critical engineering breakdown of Grok 4.5 inside Cursor to see if it actually beats the undisputed giants, Claude and GPT 5.5, for daily software development. Unlike generic models that are simply fine-tuned for code after training, Grok 4.5 was co-trained directly with Cursor engineers using trillions of tokens of real, raw developer interaction data. This means Grok natively understands messy mid-refactor files, back-and-forth debugging sessions, and complex multi-file project relationships the exact way a human programmer navigates them in an integrated development environment. When it comes to raw coding capability, Grok is a powerhouse, matching Opus-class reasoning and outperforming competitors on the SWE Marathon benchmark with an impressive 29% resolution rate. However, the real-world performance hierarchy is highly nuanced. If you're dealing with incredibly complex, deep logical reasoning, mathematical algorithm design, and multi-layered architectural planning, Claude's flagship models still maintain a slight edge. On the other hand, if your workflow is dominated by long terminal command chains, heavy script automation, and continuous command line executions, GPT 5.5 remains the undisputed king. But here's where Grok completely breaks the market: economics and pure speed. Running at a blazing 80 tokens per second, Grok costs a mere $2 per million input tokens, effectively delivering frontier-tier coding quality at less than half the cost of premium competitors. Ultimately, if you want the absolute highest-end reasoning, stick to Claude, and if you live in the terminal, utilize GPT 5.5. But for rapid multi-file editing, intuitive code-based navigation, and massive cost efficiency directly inside Cursor, Grok 4.5 is the absolute smartest default model for your daily pipeline. Subscribe the channel for more videos.